We are going over pivots. What is a pivot? It's another way to say a transpose, if you know that term, but we're going to go over pivot right here. I'm sure you know pivot from pivot tables and stuff like that. So you have some semblance of what I am talking about. First one I'd like you to do is grab pivot. We'll do the dynamic pivot, unpivot, and the dynamic unpivot later. Okay, let's move that to the top. Let's grab our little circle to little triangle, move it back down to the bottom, put it right there. And I'm going to show you what this is. So what a pivot does, you can even see here kind of by the diagram, is this saying, hey, take some stuff and go flip it. So if I have rows that have a bunch of items in there, I want you to flip it so now that those are columns. Let's do an example together so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, select the column that has the labels you want. We're going to say portfolio company. We'll just do that one. And select the columns that identify a row. We're also going to say by a date. That's how we have unique rows and things like that. Okay. And this is saying name a new column to create. So we're going to just follow along and then you'll understand what I'm doing. I'm going to say portfolio company. I'm actually going to say company A. Let's just say company A. Company A. Good. And now I'm telling Domo, go look for company A. And what do I want you to put in there? I want you to put in impressions. That's what I'm saying. Do it again. I'm going to say company B. Go look for the word company B. Oops, I'm going to make that one lowercase. And also go put in impressions. So I'm kind of, you're going to see what I'm doing. I'm filling things out here. Next, company C. I'm going to do it again. Go look for company C in that portfolio company thing. Got the impressions. And last one, company D. Let's go take a look. Okay, I'm going to go to preview and look what I did. I said by date, because we kept that as kind of a unique row identifier. Now go make a column called company A, put in all the values where, if the first thing portfolio company said company A, go put in that value. Say company B, go put in that value. Company C, go put in that value. D, etc. Cool. Makes some sense. But you save all these other things on the end here. So it's also included. But that's what the pivot does. It kind of transposes it. Okay. Why I will use this is because you might have a product. You might have products listed as rows. Like here's like our portfolio company. Here's our product A, B, C, D. But what if I need it like this? Well, that's why I would do it. I'll put product A, B, C, D this way. So now I can add them all together, subtract, do what I want between the two. Dates, stuff like that. All right, that is an intro into how to use the pivot function in the ETL.